Yo, what's going on, y'all? I just finished my McDonald's. Had a cheeseburger, fry, a little bit of ketchup on the fries. It was good. I enjoyed it. I did. Um, how you guys doing with your natural hair journey, man? How y'all doing, man? I'm getting back to, I'm going back on a different schedule when it comes to hair oiling and, scalp. So last night, I decided I'm gonna oil my scalp with some wild hair growth oil. So if you know what wild hair growth oil is, guys, it's just a really good oil. It has so many different. It has like vitamin E in it, which is really good for hair. Um, Only thing that people don't like is the smell. I mean, I don't mind it. I don't, it is what it is. But the oil works really, really well. As well as I always am an advocate for any type of castor oil because it's gonna thicken your hair. As your hair grows like grass anyway, but if you can thicken your hair, you mean your hair strands get longer and stronger, man. That's just more, it's just better overall. So that's what I'm on right now. I always say weekly calendar. You guys need at least to oil your scalp at least twice a week. And when you oil your scalp at least twice a week, man. So if I oiled it yesterday on Wednesday evening, I will oil it again 3 or 4 days. So maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, either Saturday or Sunday, I'll oil it again. And the way I do it is obviously take the oil, the nozzle, put it on my scalp, right? You see my scalp. I got twist in, so you can see my scalp, you feel me? That's why I always tell people it's easier to really, really, when you get your protector styles, twists, or braids for my men, because that's really all we can really do. I mean, unless you like, you like extensions and stuff like that, right? But for guys who just like you know, just like braids and just regular twists, your actual natural hair. What I suggest you guys to do, just keep oiling your scalp, massage your scalp. You get you a scalp massager too, man. That's crazy. Scalp massages, massagers. Even the ones I used to have a few where you can click the button on the side and it'll vibrate and you can put it on your scalp. And you just do that for like however long. And even if you have your hair out, it's okay. Cause you're doing it, You can put your fingers in your hair, guys, and massage your scalp. I just don't want y'all playing with your hair, like twisting the ends and stuff like. Because I had a problem with that early on. But I mean, it's kind of like everybody is. Some people got problem putting their fingers in their hair, but it can break your hair off. So when you learn not to touch your hair, you let your hair grow. Imagine where you're gonna be at in a year. You like, damn, my hair grew. Imagine where you can be at in 2 years. Yo, it's long. And you just keep doing these methods. You should be so consistent. It's like natural. Even at times that you fall off, you be like, man, I'm ready to fight doing this. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta be perfect. Don't get me wrong, bro. Sometimes I don't oil my scalp every single week. I don't. But if I gotta protect the styling, I oil my scalp every single week. I might say, man, I'm oiling my scalp today. It might be once a week. But I did it. I massage my scalp a little bit. Try to massage your scalp 3 to 5 minutes every single night. Do I do that? I ain't gonna lie, I ain't did it in a minute. If I was to continuously do that, my hair gonna go crazy. But that's also why I'm getting back on my schedule. Because when I able to put these things into practice, I got the results, right? So for a fact, I got the results. I'm gonna teach y'all how to get the results. And if I can teach you how to get the results, man, you gonna be popping too, bro. You be lit. Shit. You was bald head one season, sis. You got some hair now. Look at you. You know what I'm saying? That go for any race, really. I mean, when it comes to growing your hair, you're not just natural hair, black people or um, people with African descent and then like that. Um, so that what I'm doing right now, guys. So weekly calendars. We just going in. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no actual calendar. It's a calendar in my mind. So um yeah. Just reading something. But just go in, man. Do that. What else I want to talk to y'all about? Love God. I love talking about love, man. Love is so good, bro. Love is amazing, man. Find real, genuine love, people. Some people say, man, how you gonna find a magical love? I really don't feel like you should be looking for a magical love. Love you find should be within yourself. When you find yourself, you find love. And then when you find the right person, if you're looking for people, you can find people. I don't mean just like a partner, like I ain't mean like that. I mean like in general, just like a group of people. They'll come, bro. They'll come. And good people out there, man. That's good. That's some good people out in the world that's gonna genuinely love you for you, and that's good, man. I hope y'all find these people in your lives. Don't be lonely. The world is too big to be lonely. Literally, some of y'all in your hometown, move, move. Don't be stuck in your whole town your whole life. Don't do that. Get up and leave. You say, Reggie, I ain't got the funds. My guy, I know people right now. Personally, I know. Personally and not personally, that literally don't care. You get up and go. Like they travel more than me in the world. I'm like, dang. They get up and go. Nomads. Like, I'm in Mexico. Like, how you got money to go to Mexico? I just went. Just got up and go. You work a job? Nah. What? That's bold, man. That's a level of. That's dope. A lot of people in society don't see that, because two things I know people will. Somebody always gonna be envious of somebody. That's just how it is in life. That's just demonic. It's just how the world is. But in the sense of, that's a bold leap you gotta take to go out and not have no financial stability and just travel the world. Not even financial, just stability in general. It's dope though. That's dope, man. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta applaud that. So my people out there that's really like jumping out on leap of faith on themselves, any risk at all, man. I love people that take risks, bro. I don't like stuff. I don't like the same thing over and over. I like people that take risks, man. You jump. You take a risk. I want to see you win. Cause I want to see you win. Cause if you win, when you win, that give me more incentive to be like, yo, I know him. I know her. Like, yo, that's dope. That's how I am. The world needs to be more like that. The world need more risk takers. The world need more people who love themselves, and the world need more people who can follow God. When you do those things, man, the world will be 10 times better. People say, "Oh, Reggie is not built like that." Well, change your minds. I make these videos for a reason. Think I'm out here talking to a camera in my car for no reason? No. No. I'm here to put out love and positivity. I'm gonna talk about another like a minute and like 30 seconds because I got life to live, you know. But besides that, people, man, I ain't gonna say too much because I don't like really just popping out and, you know what I'm saying? If I pop out with too much, y'all might go in a freaking frenzy. Oh my God, Reggie. Oh my gosh, it's Reggie. Y'all be acting crazy, man. I love y'all though, man. I love y'all, man. I'm gonna love y'all to the ends of the earth. I'm gonna love y'all, man. Cause I just how I am. This is my nature. I can't hate, bro. I just can't do it, bro. The reason why I am like this, bro. The reason why I know him. He look familiar. I thought I hooped against him like a couple days ago. That's not him though. He was hooping though. Whoever that guy was, the old dude jump shot wasn't that good looking. A boy was hooping though. We lost them games too. I ain't gonna lie about that one, boy. We won the first two, lost the next three. I was tired when I was hooping, man. I wasn't tired and said, "Oh, I was tired." I was tired, but I was hooping though. But anyway, what was I talking about before I was talking about basketball? Dang, I lost my train of thought. Oh, the reason why I am like I am, bro, and I always say people should always love, man, because I've been through situations in my life. I've been through so many situations where I know what it feels like to not love yourself. I speak these things all the time, but I always tell people, I always give God to God. So, cycles end. I always know for a fact, bro, you always end cycles positively, because regardless of the disconnects or whatever happens, who cares? Did he say, she says? In whatever it is in your life, whatever cycle, positively, so you can continue on with your life in the best way possible. Don't end it negatively, because if you end it negatively, you end up in a cycle and you continuously do the same patterns. Some of y'all good people, y'all just got bad patterns. Some of y'all good people, you just ain't learned lessons. Some of y'all good people, you just stubborn. Some of y'all good people, you just ignorant. Some of y'all good people, but you just don't care. You know? It's a level to these certain things. You can be stubborn, you can not care, and you can be doing your own thing. But you can be doing it in the sense of, this is for me, in the sense of, I'm not hurting people. That's how you live. That's how you should live, in a sense, man. When you just going on a journey of loving yourself and becoming a better version of yourself, right? When you're doing those things and you're not worried about people, your life will be at peace. People can't affect you, bro. And when you go through things and negativity and you experience so much trauma, my guy, you're gonna either react two ways. Negatively, by spewing all that out, it's gonna come all from forefront, or you gonna take them chin hits, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come hit me right now. Hey, iron chin. You ain't gonna knock me out, bro. You better knock me out. Cause I'm gonna let you know, I'm one of the motherfuckers. People say it's cowardly. It ain't cowardly. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shoot your ass right in the fucking chest. That's the type of nigga I am. Play with me, you want to. What do I talk about? I think it's so violent. It's not hate people, it's love. I love you.